Greetings. You are tuned into HouseLux Estate, your go-to channel for everything related to luxury, lifestyle, and growth opportunities. Today, we're unveiling the secrets to wealth accumulation with 3 vital growth hacks used by the affluent. So, are you ready to discover the 3 growth hacks that rich people use all the time? Let's dive in. Growth hack number 1, investing wisely. Just like a gourmet chef masterfully combines a variety of ingredients, savvy investors diversify their portfolio. This means spreading investments across various sectors, industries, and asset classes. Rich people often lean towards assets that appreciate over time. Think real estate, stocks, or even fine art. These investments grow their wealth even while they sleep. It's not just about earning money, it's about making your money work tirelessly for you. Remember, the key is not just about making money, but making your money work for you. Growth hack number 2, networking. It's no secret that the wealthy often have an extensive network of influential individuals. This isn't just a coincidence. Networking is a strategic move, a calculated effort to surround oneself with people who can provide opportunities, advice, and partnerships. So, how do you start building your network? Begin by reaching out, attending events, and making genuine connections. Remember, it's not just about quantity, but quality. Your network is your net worth, so start building your network today. Growth hack number 3, continuous learning. The wealthiest individuals understand that their education doesn't end with a diploma or degree. They are perpetual students, always seeking to broaden their knowledge and develop new skills. They read, they attend seminars, they take online courses. They know that the world is ever-changing, and to stay ahead, you must be adaptable and never stop learning. Continuous learning opens up new opportunities and leads to better decision-making. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you learn, the more you earn. So there you have it, the 3 growth hacks that rich people use all the time. Investing wisely, building strong networks, and never stopping the learning process. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more insightful videos. Until next time, keep growing.